Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Jeep Compass for sale. This vehicle comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. A lot of nice red stitching accents throughout as well. Come around to the rear of the vehicle, so we've got our 4x4 Jeep and Trailhawk badging. Trunk back here. And take a look at our rear seats next. And some of that red stitching accent. Rear seats. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at our driver's side next. Driver door controls here. Driver seat controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. And we'll go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Do a push button ignition. Mileage currently at 38,658. Here we have our touchscreen display currently showing the climate controls. Radio. And we do have navigation through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Backup camera. Also have climate controls here if you don't want to use the touchscreen. And the shifter. And if you're interested in seeing photos or getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.